Hi. So another beautiful day. Had fever last night after so much of outing and stimulation after so long. But talked to my family members, so feeling better. But a friend of mine from a previous company is in the town for a day, especially more because when I was in home, they had their father passed away, and I was in conversation with them. So I'm just not trying to rot in bed and sew up. So getting ready to have a brief meeting with them this afternoon, and then would come back and see my maternal uncle, whom I am been meaning to see and have a conversation and just be around for so long. So I'll be going there soon. So let's just get ready. I mean, I'm almost ready, wearing some floral and a beige pant. So it's always good because I've been in a very different place in that experiment in Oroville that it's now such a delight to see my friends. This is better. So it's such a delight to again reconnect with my friends. I'm looking forward to connect in my own speed, in my own time, because everybody has their own life story going about. So it really warms my heart, and above everything, to come back to family and friends, that has been a blessing, and I'm so much grateful for it. Being back in Delhi NCR after having a break in my hometown, it feels like it is all divinely planned and things are going good. But yeah, we need to take care of our health as well. So I'm not sure if I would be recording a lot outside because mostly I'll be sitting or maybe just being in the moment, but maybe a clip or two. So looking forward to a good day. I mean a good afternoon, because this is the season of October and this floral reminds me of the flowers of October season, especially the shuli, and I'm feeling good about it. I just hope that my health and energy levels sustain. So blessed. And let me just show you what my brother is doing because soon he will be going to college. So pause. So my brother said that he may be comfortable or he may not be comfortable being in front of camera. So you may not be seeing him a lot. He is a celebrity and he is busy doing his course.
मेरी छोटी सी बेबू लिप बाम लगाते हुए लिप बाम लगाने के बाद कंघी ढूंढते हुए, कंघी ढूंढने के बाद 2 राउंड्स डन, हेयर सेट. What do no know but hair set.
Well, there's a lot of logistics problem in here because you see, like there is the fields are closed. We have the drainage system just right here. I am sitting like above the drainage system. So what happens is a lot of people who live here, especially my family members, extended family. So whenever they book, a bike or a cab, and they live inside, like not on the main road. So what happens is the people who are on yes. No, no, no. The people who are on the main road, people who are living inside, you want to come in? So I don't know, this lady is coming in. So people who are living inside, they have trouble locating the exact building number. So example, if somebody is living in H block, I block, D block, so it gets very hard for people to get outside. So people have to come out and then go somewhere. Okay, you there also. Okay, we go. So I did meet my friend today. Been sitting and reflecting on the thoughts that have come because processing the grief of father's death. That's something big for especially people in their 20s. And um, as much as it is delightful to see the people that you have once known, but before moving forward, I would say like I came into KFC, but he told me that this brand, actually this MNC funds Israel, so it is anti-Palestinian, and I am a Muslim, so perhaps this is whatever I'm doing is morally not right, especially if I am aware or educated, but um, to come here and do this is also an act of rebel in the world where we don't know what is actually happening around. So I'll go about my day, but this is a reflection for me today that as souls that we have come here, and it's a little poetic that as souls that we have come here, and we have our parents, we have our family and friends with whom we share a journey with in this life. And the more we sit and the more we reflect on the beauty that we have shared, all the pain seems less. And may our eyes, may our ears remain filled with the eyes and laughter and joy of our loved ones. So I did not record anything while being with them, but it's good to have this experience and share this reflection with you. So do a quiet reflection evening, and I will be connecting with everybody soon. There are days of fun, there are days of reflection, there are days of grief, there are days of joy, there are days of every emotion that we all as humans experience in our this worldly experience. This is me sharing, and this is you being here, so I am thankful. And as much as I am grateful for your presence, I would love if you would like to open up in any of these topics, not just with me, but be it with your loved ones or be it with your friends or family. So be well, take care, and stay close to the people that you love. So perhaps this came up while I was reflecting poetry that I would love to read. I would love to sing, but I'm still getting into the zone. So the more that we realize that this life is mortal, the more we relax in our nervous system for wherever we are. Life is really livable. Happy to be born, to be here, to love and to be loved. Thinking about Amusab, he is my maternal uncle and I would be seeing him soon. About love, about dad and more. This personality, his likes, more because of reflecting, listening to dear friend. I mean, I have been reflecting because I have been listening about father, not speaking about me, but deeply listening and actually feeling into like how in a son father's personality sinks in, and how his characters, his cinematic likes and dislikes and political beliefs, all of those things, they make a person who they are, not just in their genes but also in their thinking patterns, and also how to show up in the society. So however wherever life takes us, my dear friend, may we have a moment to ourselves, to be, to see, to reflect. And what a boon it is if somebody listens. What a boon it is if somebody listens as well. So thank you so much for being here, for joining me on this unusual blog where I talk to you through how I'm getting ready to meet a friend, dear friend, how I am resuming my life very slowly, very slowly, and also taking a moment to reflect. I would rather ask the person if they would like their privacy to be disclosed or name to be disclosed or photograph to be disclosed or not. So deep gratitude in my heart for them, and we had some good interesting talks. So yes, thank you so much for being here and thinking about all the people I love, my beautiful family members, and my little babies, Illy Beely. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth." And God said, "Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed." I could go on and on, but this is like too profound to just read, so I'll just sit quietly, read in. So may all of you just imbibe the God's word.